Hello friends, how you doing today? If you're new to this channel, my name is Jumi Ann. In this channel, it's all about natural hair products which are chemical free. I like to DIY my hair product, and I'm moving away from making product every day to a product that I can actually keep outside the refrigerator for a while. In this video today, I am going to be showing you how I made Amla hair pomade. This pomade is good for twist out. It's good for regular twist. You can use it as a cream in your LOC or LCO. As a matter of fact, you can use this product for anything that we use cream for your hair. If you're new here, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up to let me know that you like this video. So let's get started. The first thing I pour in a cup is some distilled water. I use 240 grams. I added some fresh aloe vera gel. I added 8 grams of glycerin. I added half a tablespoon of Amla powder. Half a tablespoon of xanthan gum. A little advice on xanthan gum: you want to mix the xanthan gum with your vegetable glycerin, because that way you will not have all those lumps in it. But you can see how it looks like the lump, and that lumps I've had to get rid of. But if you use any kind of blender, it will work the magic on it. Now we're going to be moving on to the oil phase. I use 10 grams of shea oil. $10 grams of castor oil. 10 grams of almond oil. All these products are going to be listed on the description box, so you can buy it if this is something that you have interest in making. And I use 22 grams of emulsifying wax. And I added 10 grams of rice bran. Because of the emulsifying wax, you will make sure everything is melted together. You have to allow the oil to cool down, because you do not want the oil to be too hot when you go into the rest of the product. So what I did is I waited just right. It will turn solid if you wait too long because of the emulsifying wax. Blend it on a lower force. I added some vitamin E. I added some tea tree oil. and then I use a preservative. If you want to know the kind of preservative that I use, I'm going to leave it on the description box. I really want to be able to keep this outside of the refrigerator. I added some coloring into it, kind of took a little bit out of the portion because you don't want to add it to everything. You want to kind of sort of just add it to a little portion, mix it, and then pour it into the rest of the product. So that's exactly what I did. I did that, and then I just added, and then I just blend everything in. I like the color because it was kind of like I wasn't looking for a strong color, and I really didn't use any fragrance in it because that's not what I'm going for. I just want a natural smelling product, and that's what I got. I really enjoy making this. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Let me know if you like this type of video, because I will be making this type of video, because it's just not going to be this hair product, it's going to be skincare too. And look at it. It's really pretty. It's really pretty. The color is pretty, and not just the color, the product itself, it's pretty awesome. It felt like this right now. You know how it looks. It's gonna thicken up a little bit later, so I'm gonna go ahead and just pour it. Here is in container I was talking about. This is a 12-ounce container, and I think this might last me for like a month, and which is pretty good. Thank you very much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I really appreciate you. I'll see you guys in my next video. Do not forget to watch the other video that I have out there, and give me a thumbs up for this video. Love you guys. Bye bye. XOXO. Bye.